I'm gonna take the brake handle off. That's easy. On the bottom is a locking nut. Socket of 10. Up. You have to be careful. On the bottom side there is the switch, this one, and it needs to be attached on the other on the bottom side of that. Unscrew this one. It's difficult to get it the right angle because there's those caps. No. This one out, then you can slide the handle out, and as you can already see, it's filthy and bone dry. Not for the old mechanic. Let's do something about it. Clean this one with a bit of petrol too. This is really terrible. This one, okay. How easy this is, man. Here I got my EP2 grease already cleaned the handle. See, we're gonna give it over there, over there, and don't forget that one, often forgotten, but not by me. Okay, hop, and as you can see, there is a friction point, and okay, now how easy was that? Got this one too. Okay, now very easy now. This one. Then this one, come up. Okay. On the underside is that small bracket with a rear brake light switch, and that's just up like this, and then tight but not too tight. Sure, this is much better. After you got the handle off and the switch off, check again your brake light.